Welcome to GP English Grammar. This is GP Yadav, teacher of English. In the previous video, we knew about the usage of be forms. In the present video, let us know about kinds of verbs in detail, which are very useful for all school, college and all competitive exams. Kinds of verbs. Before going to know about kinds of verbs or types of verbs, first let us know about what is a verb. The word verb comes from the Latin word optim, which means an action or action. A verb is a word that tells about action, state of being and position. First let us know about one by one action, state of being and position. Action. What is action? I teach English grammar. Look at this example. Here this is subject, this is verb, this is object. Here look at the verb teach. Teach. The word teach shows an action which tells us what a person do. State. What is state? Raju is a good boy. Here in the sentence, this is subject, this is verb, this is object. Here is, the word is the verb of state of being which tells us what a person is. What is a position? Here look at this example. I have a scooter. Here have, the word have is a verb which shows position, which tells us what a person has. Kinds of verbs or types of verbs. Verbs are two types in English language, which are namely auxiliary verbs, which are 24, and main verbs. Again, main verbs are divided into regular verbs or irregular verbs, both regular and irregular verbs. Irregular verbs 169, regular verbs 2 lakhs of verbs. First let me say about auxiliary verbs. There are 24 auxiliary verbs in English language, which are namely am, is, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had, shall, should, can, could, will, would, may, might, used to, need, dare, ought. These are the auxiliary verbs. These are known as helping verbs. As per English grammar, these are primary auxiliaries: am, is, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had. These are called primary auxiliaries, and the rest of the verbs are called modal verbs. These play a vital role in English language. In the previous video, we discussed in detail regarding auxiliary verbs. What are main verbs? Main verbs are used to express action. These main verbs are known as principal verbs. These are divided into two groups: regular verbs, irregular verbs. Regular verbs. What are regular verbs? These are known as weak verbs. These verb forms of V2 and V3 are formed by adding ed to the first form of the verb or base form of the verb. Observe the following table: present verb V1, past verb V2, past participle verb V3. Here in the table, I have given 4 verbs. Let us know about one by one in detail. Look at the first one: inform, informed, informed. Here the base form inform, ed can be added to the base form to form V2 and V3. Look at the next one: change, changed, changed. Here the base form, the letter ends with e, d can be added to form V2 and V3. Look at the third one: look, looked, looked. Here the base form look ends with k, ed can be added to form V2 and V3, but pronunciation is, the sound should be ed pronounced as t. Here look, looked, looked. Look at the final one, cry, cried, cried. Here the base form cry, the letter ends with y after the consonant r. Y is removed. In the place of y, IED can be added to form the V2 and V3. Here the right answer is cry, cried, cried. In this way, there are 2 lakhs of regular verbs in English language. Simply, ED can be added to the base form to form second form of the verb and the third form of the verb. Whereas 169 irregular verbs are there. Let us know about irregular verbs. What are irregular verbs? These are known as strong verbs. Observe the following table. First form of the verb V1, second form of the verb V2, third form of the verb V3. Here I have given 3 kinds of verbs. Look at the first one, take, took, taken. Here the first form of the verb, the second form of the verb, the third form of the verb are different by changing the vowel letter. Here look at the second one, bring, brought, brought. Here the first form of the verb is different, second form and third form are same by changing the vowel letter. Look at the third one, cut, cut, cut. Here the first form of the verb, second form of the verb, third form of the verb are same by never changing the vowel letter. These are 169 in English language which play a vital role. This is the detailed information regarding kinds of verbs and types of verbs. I hope that you have understood this video. If you like this video, you will subscribe by clicking on the bell icon button for more updates. Thank you for watching this video.